All right, kiddos, let's get out your book that looks like this on the front cover. Let's read the title first. These are both sight words, so you are able to read this completely on your own. The first word is the word see, and the next word is our sight word from this week. What is it? That. Very good. Let's read the title. See that. So we're going to be talking about things that we see. Very good. All right, flip to the first page. Now there are a lot of extra words in this sentence. Our title was pretty short. See that. We will have those words in our sentence, but they're not the only words. So we need to figure out the other words too before we start reading. This first word right here, it's not one of our sight words, but we can figure it out because we know these sounds. The first sound is D. Very good. The middle sound is I, and the last sound is D. All right, get out your sound mountain on your arm and let's sound it out. Ready? D, id. One more time. D, id. What word is that? Did. Very good. So that first word is what word? Did. Good job. So did. Next word, we know that word. It's a sight word. What word is that? You. Awesome. Let's read what we've got. Did you. Now we've got our two sight words from the title. So we've got the next word is see. The next word is that. Very good. And then the last word is our picture clue. What word is this? Bear. Good job. Okay, so let's read what we've got. First word, what word? Did. Next word, you. Next word, see. Next word, that. Last word, bear. Good job. All right, fingers on it, eyes on it. Let's read it together. Did you see that bear? What's this thing at the very, very end? A question mark, which means this sentence is asking you a question. It's asking, did you see that bear? And you can answer. Flip that page. All right, so we've got our repeating sentence. It will still go, did you see that? And then the last word will be different. Fingers on it, eyes on it. First word, what word? Did. Next word, what word? You. Next word? See. Next word? That. Last word? Deer. Good job. All right, let's read the sentence. Ready, go. Did you see that deer? It's a question again. It's asking you. Flip that page, please. Ooh, okay, we've got our repeating part, but then we've got our last word that is a picture clue word. Look at it for a second and try and figure it out before we read. All right, fingers on the first word, eyes on the first word. First word, what word? Did. Next word? You. Next word? See. Next word? That. Last word? Rabbit. Good job. If you said bunny, it is a bunny, but this word does not say bunny. I know because I look at that first sound and I can see that it starts with r, not b. So you have to make sure that you're reading what's there. Let's read the full sentence. We'll read it together. Fingers on it, eyes on it. Ready, go. Did you see that rabbit? Flip that page. Ooh, we've got a new picture and a new picture clue word. All right, fingers on it, eyes on it. First word, did. Next word, you. Next, see. Next, that. Last word, Fox. Good job. I was a little bit confused. I thought it might be a raccoon, but I knew that it could not be raccoon because this word does not start with r. It starts with f. So I had to have a word that started with f. Let's read the full sentence. You're going to read it, and then we'll read it again together. Fingers on it, eyes on it. Ready, go. Nice. Let's read it again together. Ready, go. Did you see that fox? Awesome. Flip your page. Ooh. All right. Look at that picture clue word. Finger on the first word. Eyes on the first word. First word, what word? Did. Next. You. Next. See. Next. That. Last word. Raccoon. There we go. Kind of looks similar to the fox. A little bit different, but we knew it couldn't be fox again because that first sound is R. You are right. Okay, let's read that full sentence. You're going to do it on your own. Ready? Finger on it. Eyes on it. Ready? Read. Awesome. Let's read it together. Fingers on it. Eyes on it. Ready? Read. Did you see that raccoon? Awesome. All right, flip the page. Okay, fingers on it, eyes on it. First word, what word? Did. Next word, what word? You. Next word, what word? See. Next word, what word? That. Last word? Skunk. Good job. That is kind of tricky because we've got that blend right here. Instead of just hearing s, we hear sk. Sk. Very fast. But that is the word skunk. Let's go back and read it. Ready? You do it first, and then we'll read it together. Fingers on it, eyes on it. Ready? Read. Awesome. Let's go back to the beginning. Fingers on it, eyes on it. Let's read together. Did you see that skunk? Nice job. You guys are fantastic readers. You can color this book and read it to a friend or family member. Nice job, kiddos.